Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler Design video blog. Today we're looking at patio doors and how to cover them. This client chose shutters. And when you do shutters, there are a number of ways that you can do them. You can have hinges that are on the outside so the panel swings out on both sides, coming together to the middle. Depending on the width, you can actually have these two panels fold off to the side. But this one, we chose to do a one-way bifold shutter, which means that all four of the panels will pull to the right. So something to keep in mind, you tip open a little bit, you start to open it, make sure that the louvers are all closed so that they don't hit on the backside, and then we just push across and the entire shutter is now stacked to the outside. It's got a nice pretty frame. It's not very obtrusive at all, and so if you're looking to get everything off the window and you can handle the projection into the room, then this is a good choice. If you want to minimize projection, then you may want to go with a bypass shutter instead of a bifold shutter. Thank you for watching the Kempler Design video blog.